Bullish Litecoin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $349.83 and $761.86 by 2030. Market examiners accept LTC could reach $349.83 by 2025. Bearish Litecoin market cost expectation for 2022 is $62.19. Litecoin presentation. The crypto market is effectively attacking the regular day-to-day existences of thousands of individuals on the planet. Each coin brings its credits to the table, some of which are more appropriate for explicit use cases than others. One of those coins, Litecoin, was laid out in 2011 and began a long history of development and improvement. This altcoin from the Bitcoin-based universe has become one of the most productive computerized tokens to put resources into, as it offers quicker exchanges and lower charges than most other cryptos. In this cost forecast, we'll feature Litecoin's rudiments and its future as a drawn-out venture. If it's not too much trouble, recall these LTC cost forecasts don't comprise speculation counsel. Do exhaustive examination prior to putting resources into any cryptographic money. What is Litecoin? Litecoin is an altcoin that was presented in 2011 by Charlie Lee to make digital currency exchanges quicker, reasonable, and productive. Named as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, LTC is positioned among the main 20 digital forms of money by market capitalization. Like Bitcoin, Litecoin is a crypto resource that uses a public record to record exchanges and possession. In any case, it contrasts from Bitcoin in key respect. Its ideal interest group is a lot more modest. Also, while Bitcoin's motivation was to go about as cash for the crypto market, Litecoin was fundamentally worked to fence against Bitcoin's cost unpredictability by permitting quicker exchange times and lower exchange expenses than BTC. Litecoin's specialized examination. Your advancement in exchanging relies upon utilizing the proper procedure. Thus, it's smart to try them hard and fast and analyze how well every strategy functions for you. The following are a few exchanging strategies utilizing specialized examination. Ichimoku strategy. Ichimoku Kinko Hyo is a day exchanging indicator created by Japanese scientist Goichi Hosoda following quite a while of study. There are many apparatuses accessible in the market to assist you with precisely anticipating the cost bearing. At the point when the cost crosses underneath the benchmark, a negative sign is given. On equilibrium volume procedure, the figures of the exchanging marker on equilibrium volume are fixated on the volume stream. Joining the OBV approach with different pointers yields the best outcomes as the signs are easy to decipher. An upswing happens when the volume increments, while a slump shows low volume. MACD system. The moving typical intermingling uniqueness is a marker that informal investors principally use to survey the strength of patterns, indicate their course, and pinpoint potential defining moments. For instance, the MACD histogram's sensational ups and downs show that the cost is either oversold or overbought. Therefore, you could see a cost circle back signal. Holding methodology. This methodology's center standard is to cling to the cryptographic money until its cost expansions later on and by no means sell it. Purchasing and holding is the most straightforward speculation methodology and requires no specialized ability. So you don't need to stress over missing out on the drawn-out advantages of LTC assuming you utilize this method. Litecoin central investigation. Litecoin ventured separated from other opponent digital currencies on account of its progressions like quicker block spread speeds and taking on the script hashing calculation. It likewise stayed away from a premine, permitting blockchain-based crypto engineers to mine coins before the venture is disclosed. One significant element helping it out is its trustworthiness. Thus, it is viewed as the silver of the crypto market, a trustworthy digital money that can be utilized to exchange at a sensibly fair cost since it hasn't had any eminent double dealing. The digital money is currently likewise popular with brokers and examiners who exchange on its cost in light of its limited stockpile and issuance limitations. Subsequently, LTC can be utilized in a portfolio to give financial backers perceivability to the developments of the digital currency market with next to no undesirable shocks due to its constancy. Since there are lower charges on the Litecoin network than on networks with strong exchange costs, it guarantees protection is a lot less complex. It is acknowledged by numerous crypto installment doors and is utilized to buy labor and products also. Litecoin current cost. Litecoin is at present worth $77.74 USD. LTC has moved 0.88% as of now with an exchanging volume of $552,840,826. Litecoin is at present position 13 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $5,514,143,299 USD. Litecoin value expectation 2022. Litecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The LTC cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $116.61. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $108.84 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. LTC is supposed to have a base worth of $93.29. Litecoin Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Litecoin LTC cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of LTC will before long outperform $194.35. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the LTC's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, LTC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $155.48 and a typical exchanging cost of $171.03. Litecoin Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $272.09 and LTC might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. LTC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $248.77 and a low of $233.22 in 2024. Litecoin Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Litecoin effectively helps market opinion among digital money devotees, the LTC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, LTC will be green in 2025. The LTC is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $349.83, with a base cost of $310.96 and a typical cost of $326.51. Litecoin Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the LTC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $404.25 by 2026, with a base cost of $388.70 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, LTC has a greatest value worth of $427.57. Litecoin Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $481.99. On the off chance that LTC figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $505.32. Neglecting to assemble the help LTC needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $466.44. Litecoin Value Forecast 2028. While LTC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $544.19 and a yearly cost close above $583.06 in 2028. Litecoin Value Forecast 2029. By 2029,